In this video, I am going to guide you on how to pre-book a ride using the 13 Cabs app for a future time or date. Pre-booking helps you plan your travel with peace of mind, especially for early mornings or airport trips. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the 13 Cabs app on your smartphone. 2. Enter your desired destination in the Where to field. 3. Confirm your pickup location or adjust it if needed. 4. Tap on the later or schedule option instead of booking now. 5. Select the date and time you want the ride to begin. 6. Choose the vehicle type or service that suits your needs. 7. Tap on confirm booking to finalize the pre-booked ride. 8. You will receive a confirmation with all ride details for your scheduled time. Your ride has now been successfully pre-booked in the 13 Cabs app. Be ready at the selected time and location for smooth pickup.